Hi, I'm Bob Nichol from the University of Portsmouth. How do astronomers map the sky? What technologies do they use? Here, we're going to tell you about the Sloan Digital Sky Survey and other astronomical surveys of our universe. The Sloan Survey is an optical telescope with a large digital camera on the back. The Sloan camera was built over 15 years ago and was, at the time, the world's largest digital camera in existence, a whopping 126 megapixels. The technology that was developed for the Sloan survey is now being used in all popular digital cameras. The Sloan started scanning the sky in the year 2000, and a decade later has scanned most of the sky visible above the UK. That's over a third of the whole sky we can see. This massive digital image has over 1 trillion pixels. That's a 1 with 12 zeros after it. Many of the pixels in the image are just blank dark sky, but the image contains information on over 1 billion objects, including many stars, asteroids, and galaxies. The image was used to find the most distant quasar ever known, some 12 billion light years away from us. That's almost back to the Big Bang. The Sloan survey is not just about taking images. The Sloan used fiber optic technology to take spectra of light for about 1 million distant objects. Using these spectra, the Sloan was able to determine the three-dimensional structure of the universe. And this three-dimensional map allows cosmologists to weigh the universe through the amount of clustering that is seen. Using this technique, cosmologists have seen that the universe must be full of dark matter, mass that doesn't shine but attracts other mass through gravity. The Sloan is now relatively old, and astronomers are planning the next surveys of the sky. For example, next year, the dark energy camera will be used to scan the southern sky, completing a digital image of the whole sky when combined with the Sloan. This new camera will have an amazing 590 megapixels and will use some of the largest optical lenses ever made. But there is more to the universe than the light we can see with our eyes. New technologies have allowed us to study the cosmos with many different types of telescopes and different types of light. For example, LOFAR is a new European-wide radio telescope that is being built to observe the whole sky using light that has a wavelength of 1 meter. Satellites have helped survey the universe in new forms of light. For example, the Chandra Observatory sees X-rays from distant explosive phenomena and also can see hot gas over 1 million degrees in temperature. Infrared satellites capture the warmth of billions of stars in our galaxy and the radiation of the dust that lies between them. Ever since Galileo created the first telescope, astronomers have been developing and using new technologies to scan the heavens for new phenomena. Today, we have an image of the night sky in all different forms of light. And in the future, we will soon have movies of the sky. The LSST will survey the whole sky every 3 nights using an amazing 4 gigapixel camera. This movie will discover a multitude of transient events and signals a new era in survey astronomy.